I'm Maggie Miller. I am a lecturer in marketing here at the School of Management at Swansea University. Marketing here at Swansea is a versatile course. In fact, it's one of UK's top 20 marketing programs. And I think students find it interesting because marketing is much more about selling, which we often perceive it to be. It's more than just branding and ad campaigns. It's actually trying to understand why we as consumers want what we want. And we take students through those ideas in modules like consumer behavior, for example, and then we start to analyze those marketing environments which influence those behaviors. As we do this, we can get a better understanding of why businesses succeed, why a business fails. Why do we purchase an iPhone over an Android and their competitors? So I think students that come to Swansea see that marketing is in our everyday. It's all around us, and that will hook them, and it'll carry them through to want to dive deeper and sort out those strategies of how to be a successful marketer. Graduating from a marketing program here at Swansea prepares students for vibrant careers in branding, digital marketing, sales, strategy, market research, and other small business entrepreneurial ventures. Our students have gone off to work for companies like Swim Whales, Johnson & Johnson, Morrison's, and even Genie Ventures. Needless to say, I think our students have done well for themselves. If students want to come study with us at Swansea University, my advice to them would be to show your passion in your application. Highlight something interesting you've done before, or some work experience that you've taken up, or perhaps you volunteered in your local community. And I'd say if you have any questions, get in touch with us, because we're here to help you and we'd like you to put your best foot forward. And finally, go ahead and come on down and visit us here on the coast of Wales. We're ready to show you our campus, and you can't be sure you love the place until you see it yourself.